Hello everyone, I'm Cloud and welcome to Anime No Mi. In this video we'll talk about what Haki is, and how it works, and how this power can be the most powerful of One Piece, capable of causing great damage even to characters who have the devil fruit powers. And I already count on your help to leave your like in the video to support the channel. I also hope you subscribe if you're still new here, and leave your comments saying your opinions and what the next videos you want to see here on the channel. Now let's go to the video. Guys, Haki was first seen when Shanks used this power to scare a Sea King to save Luffy when he was still a kid, but the term Haki was only spoken for the first time and then officially seen later when Blackbeard was commenting on Luffy's reward in Jaya, and are being reinforced during Shanks' visit to Whitebeard. The concepts of using and handling the Haki were introduced during Sabaodi's Archipelago Arch and Amazon Lily Arch, and the concept was fully explained by Rayleigh to Luffy in his training on Ruzacana Island. Haki, with the exception of the Conqueror, exists in every living being, but it remains dormant in every living person, and for most people its awakening is very rare. Few are able to awaken this ability. It turns out that with intense training you can wake it up, and also in a difficult situation that power can wake up, just like with Kobe it did during the Great Battle of Marineford. There are two known characters, Issa and Otohan, who were already born with their Haki awakened, but it was not said in the work how this feat was possible, as so far only the two have demonstrated this awakening since their birth. Haki originates from the person's spirit and not from their body. Even if the user's spirit is transferred to another body, he is still able to use Haki as if he were in his original body. Haki can also become stronger when facing very strong opponents or those with hard training base. Despite its large capabilities, Haki is not unlimited, as it can be depleted by overuse, rendering the user unable to use it for a certain period while regenerating. Also, Haki is separated into three categories or types where each has different usage levels, in which two experienced users do not have the same strength level as the other. Most people who can use Haki tend to be better in only one Haki category, or in rare cases it can be good with all three Haki existing. It just requires more work and a long training besides being chosen by the Haki of the conquerors. From what is shown several times, more than one Haki can be used at once in a battle, which can use two categories of Haki at the same time, but obviously this wears out the user faster, in addition to the damage that can be done after a battle using Haki. So far only three existing Haki have been demonstrated: the Haki of observation, which is the ability to feel spiritual energy; the Busashoko Haki that uses the life force to strengthen the body; and the Haki of the conquerors that is able to dominate enemies that have a weak will and are around them. The Haki of observation grants users a sixth sense of the world around them and limited precognitive abilities. This power was first introduced under the name Mantra when Satori used it to fight Sanji, Luffy, and Usopp while undergoing the ordeal of the spheres. Issa, a young Shandia who used to infiltrate the upper yard to collect Verth, being Isa's daughter and the only one known to have this ability until the moment she was introduced. This served as a plot point when she helped Luffy locate Enel, in which she found it very easy to find him even though he was moving quickly. The observation Haki allows the user to feel the presence of other people, even if they are hidden or too far away to be seen naturally, and also be able to sense if something is coming their way, such as projectiles or objects. As I mentioned earlier, in Skypiea, the Haki of observation is known as the Mantra, and it is called that way several times by the inhabitants there. The strength of this Haki between characters varies, with Enel apparently being the strongest, managing to predict various attacks from Luffy and his companions with great ease. Furthermore, Enel with his devil fruit, the Goro Goro no Mi, a Logia-type devil fruit which allows the user to create, control and transform into electricity at will. He could pick up electromagnetic waves in the air, allowing him he heard conversations and everything around him. All of this extended the range of his mantra, or rather Haki of observation, to cover approximately the entire area of Skypiea, making him almost ubiquitous. Also, in comparison, most of the other priests who lived on Skypiea could only keep up with people close to their low range. The first time it was seen being used and referred to as Haki was during Luffy's battle on Amazon Lily, where it was used by the sisters Boa Sandersonia, and Boa Marigold. Later, during Luffy's training, Rayleigh explained Haki to Luffy and confirmed that Mantra and Haki are the same skills, but due to the culture of the place it was given a different name, just like in Wano. So Mantra is simply the name given in Skypiea to the skill. The Busashoko Haki allows the user to use their spirit as armor to defend against attacks, or to make their own attacks more powerful. It's a form of Haki that allows the user to use their spirit to essentially create invisible armor around them, providing potentially incredible offensive and defensive capabilities. As we see Luffy using it several times, while using his rubber power, with the Busashoko Haki Luffy is able to incredibly strengthen his defense and his attack, thus being able to come into confrontation against extremely strong characters, such as Kaido and Big Mom. Notably, this form of Haki can be used to injure devil fruit users who are immune to certain types of physical damage, particularly Logia users, power in which its users are able to transform their bodies into a certain element. Therefore, people who cannot use Busashoko Haki end up being unable to reach Logia users, only in rare and specific cases where they are able to use the element's natural disadvantage, becoming able to harm it. An example of this is how we saw what happened in Luffy and Crocodile's fight, in which we saw Luffy using his blood to be able to hit Crocodile, who managed to turn his body into sand completely. In Wano country, Busashoko Haki is known as Ryuo and was based on the concept of internal flow. Furthermore, in the manga, the Busashoko Haki was first introduced to the Straw Hat Pirate by Garp, who used it to damage Luffy in the past, already that it has the rubber body. Later, in the Sabayati Archipelago, Sentomaru, who at the time was Vegapunk's bodyguard and was in charge of the science unit sailors, used Haki's imbued attack on Luffy, which made the Straw Hats think that he was a devil fruit user, all due to the pirate's lack of knowledge of this skill. Afterwards, Rayleigh used Haki to stop Kizaru, one of the three admirals. Rayleigh using Busashoko Haki was even able to touch Kizaru's body, which possessed the fruit of light. The first time the Kujas named this skill Busashoko Haki was when they wielded arrows imbued with Haki to shoot at their enemies, and during the Great Battle of Marineford, Haki was also used many times by sailors and pirates. Haki has been shown to be very common in the New World, unlike Heaven where Haki users are quite rare, and almost no one knows it. This is later explained by Rayleigh when he starts training Luffy on Haki handling. And finally we have the Haki of the Conquerors, the rarest Haki, which only one in a million can use. The Haki of the Conquerors grants the user the ability to dominate the will of others. Conqueror Haki is a rare form of Haki that cannot be obtained through training. Only one chosen out of several million people has this ability. This type of Haki allows the user to exert their willpower on others, and it is said that whoever has this type of Haki has the qualities of a king. Haushiko Haki is considered an extremely dangerous threat and a highly valuable target by powerful groups, such as the Navy Admirals and the Yonko, as those who possess this power can defeat many enemies using only their willpower. It was first demonstrated by Shanks when he used it to scare off a Sea King who had ripped off his arm, although it was not fully explained and revealed at the time what kind of skill that was. Later, during a meeting with Whitebeard, Shanks used this Haki to knock out several crew members while boarding Edward Newgate's ship. The pressure Shanks emitted using the Conqueror's Haki was able to destroy small parts of the boat. Luffy repeatedly showed the power of the Conqueror's Haki. He used the Haki against Duval's Bull Motobaro. Later he displayed this power again on Amazon Lily while fighting Sandersonia and Marigold, Boa Hancock's sisters, knocking out a large part from the audience watching the match. And in this confrontation between Luffy and the Boa sisters, it was the first time that power is called as Conqueror's Haki. Luffy's use of this Haki during the Great Battle of Marineford was enough for the Navy Admirals to become cautious enough that they prioritized its elimination. And finally, after the time skip, Luffy becomes strong enough to be able to tame monsters as well as knocking out a select group of individuals without affecting anyone else watching the combat using the Conqueror's Haki. It has been shown that Luffy is also able to use the Conqueror's Haki even when he is unconscious or debilitated. As we saw, the Haki can be used in different ways in a combat, either to defend, attack or dodge. We recently saw Luffy improving his Conqueror's Haki, being able to face Kaido, showing that the Haki still have a lot to evolve to arrive in your perfect state. In addition, we know that the King of Pirates used his power of Haki to face all enemies, including he faced the user of the most powerful Paramecia of all with ease. This shows that the power of the Haki is a power born in all humans that naturally surpasses the devil fruit powers. But I want to know about you. What do you think of Haki? Could a new even stronger Haki emerge in the future? Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to leave your likes in the video to help the channel, and also subscribe if you're still new here. The channel is new and needs your help. Thank you so much for watching our video so far. Your support is very important. See you in the next video. Bye.